Hey guys, Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a 2019 Scarab 165. This is an awesome little rocket ship, basically a grown-up version of a jet ski. There's some storage up here. Want to do a quick walkthrough on it. You've got a storage compartment there for either an anchor, or you could even use that as a cooler. We've got a wakeboard rack stored in there right now. More storage under this seat here. There's also an oversized ski locker in the floor, perfect for putting skis, wakeboards. Right now it's got the nav and anchor lights in it, or extra extra life jackets, whatever you prefer. We put the premium audio on this boat, so it's got a subwoofer, forward facing speakers and rear facing speakers. At the helm you've got tilt steering. All your gauges and controls are here. You've got your radio here. This boat has the courtesy lighting too, so it lights up at night. Awesome, fun little boat. Wakeboard tower is equipped, so you can pull from the tower with water sports, skiing, tubing, wakeboarding, etc. And then a brand new feature for 2019 is the new 300 horsepower Rotax motor, pushing this boat to speeds of over 60 miles an hour. It's an absolute fun machine, super cool toy, great for family, getting kids into boating, things like that, lake boating. Come see it down here at MarineMax of Houston today. Thank you very much.